Good morning, everyone. So welcome to the FAST workshop on electrochemical energy storage and conversion towards carbon neutrality. Now let's welcome Professor Raymond Wang to give the opening speech. First, let me briefly introduce Professor Raymond Wang. Professor Raymond Wang is the Chair Professor of Chemical Technology and Dean of the Faculty of Science. He is currently the chairman of Hong Kong Chemical Society and the editor or associate editor of many journals. He was awarded the ISC Chemistry of Transition Matter Award, FACS Distinguished Young Chemist Award, State Natural Science Award from China, and RGC Senior Research Fellow Award. His research focused on synthetic inorganic organic metallic chemistry, especially aiming at developing metal organic molecules and polymers for organic optoelectronics and metal-based nanomaterial. So now let's welcome Professor Raymond Wang.
Okay, thank you, Professor Wang. Distinguished speakers, guests, and participants, it's my great pleasure to welcome you all to the opening of the workshop on electrochemical energy storage and conversion towards carbon neutrality, hosted by the Faculty of Science of the Hong Kong Polytechnic University, which forms part of the activities in celebration of our university's 85th anniversary. Rechargeable batteries, fuel cells, and green hydrogen generation are representative technologies that will make significant contributions to the goal of carbon neutralization globally. In PolyU, a number of researchers have been intensively working on materials and technologies for electrochemical energy storage and conversion, scanning from fundamental physics, chemistry, and materials science to engineering devices. Over the past years, PolyU commits to research excellence and address global challenges.
I think we lost.
Yeah, we lost the connection.
Yeah.
Just wait a few minutes. So let's see whether Professor Raymond Wang can be get connected again.
I'm back.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I'm sorry for that. So
yeah,
we are delighted to have almost 30 distinguished scholars from overseas and local universities to share with us their insights and inspiring thoughts in this workshop. Our faculty is proud to be able to provide this platform to foster the exchange of research ideas and support interinstitutional collaborations. Before we move on to the first section, I would like to thank Professor Wang Haitao, Dr. Zhang Bo, and Dr. Benedict Low, the facilitators of this workshop, for their hard work and dedication for making this event happen. I wish you all have a fruitful and rewarding exchange in this 3-day workshop and I look forward to learning about the outcome. Thank you, and have an enjoyable workshop.
Okay, thank you, Professor Wang.